After getting pummeled by losses in 2022, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are rallying in 2023, prompting speculation that the so-called crypto winter, the digital asset world's equivalent of a bear market, is over. Many events have occurred in the past few months, including the halving of large altcoins and the bankruptcy of crypto exchanges. There has been speculation regarding the future of cryptocurrencies in 2023 and whether they will be bullish or bearish. So let's explore the potential scenarios for 2023, as it is impossible to predict the future. Disclaimer: we are not financial advisors, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. It is not a financial advice. Please contact a verified person for any kind of investments. Bitcoin's past performance. 2022 has been very rough for all the cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. In fact, the largest cryptocurrency of the world has lost nearly 65% of its market value in the entire year of 2022. Crypto enthusiasts were caught off guard by a series of unfortunate events such as the Terra Luna crash, fallout of the largest crypto exchange FTX, and the looming macroeconomic conditions. The odds are that there will be some crypto regulations in 2023, but this is a double-edged sword. There will probably be a lot of good regulations, but a few bad ones. The crypto rules are likely to vary from region to region, even if there are global crypto rules. Analysts believe the crypto market will recover in 2023. Many believe that big investors are back in the game since the macroeconomics are getting better. However, a full bull market, going by Bitcoin price history, is not guaranteed. Others believe that the new year will be a huge loss for the cryptocurrencies, with Bitcoin falling to $10,000 or lower in the first quarter of 2023. These price declines might cause most altcoins to decline by 60 to 80%. Let's explore both bullish and bearish points of view. Bitcoin's bull point of view. Presently, Bitcoin is trading above the levels of 22,000, with a positive change in the price since last November. It crossed the crucial level of $23,000 on January 21, 2023, for the first time in the last 5 months. Past Bitcoin halving events have been able to establish long-term bullish drivers for Bitcoin's price. The Bitcoin halving event directly relates to its deflationary tendency and squeezes its supply, which helps the BTC price to rise further. As Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency, more coins cannot be printed by governments or any central banks, and thus the total supply of Bitcoin is limited. Experts eyeing the upcoming Fed meeting in the US, which can be a make-or-break situation for Bitcoin, which is all set to open the doors for more gains. If inflation is peaked, there is the possibility of the Federal Reserve pivoting from aggressive interest rate increases. Many traders agree that if the Federal Reserve were to pivot on its current policy of quantitative tightening and interest rate hikes, BT price could surge. Therefore, if interest rates ease and the economy grows, Bitcoin could continue to rally with bullish equities markets. The better the macro climate, the better for Bitcoin price. Bitcoin's bear point of view. While Bitcoin price is showing some bullish momentum in the short term after positive comments by the Fed, the larger challenges of centralized exchange insolvencies, looming crypto legislation, concerns of Binance's reserves, and the Genesis bankruptcy could place a damper on BTC's current rally. Experts believe that the rising interest rates and tighter monetary policy will not allow Bitcoin to rebound sharply in the near future. As in this kind of uncertain market, investors will not prefer to invest or buy risky assets, such as Bitcoin. There is a good chance that the SEC will crack down on another big crypto project, company, or exchange in 2023. This is due to the negative events of the previous year and the ongoing effects of FTX. Mark Mobius, the billionaire founder of Mobius Capital Partners, called in early December 2022 that Bitcoin will fall further to the bottom out at $10,000 in 2023. His reasoning is that the U.S. Federal Reserve's tightening monetary policy and rising interest rates will further scupper the Bitcoin market. Mobius predicted in 2022 that Bitcoin would drop further to $20,000 when the price hit $28,000 back in May. As a result, many are taking the veteran investor's latest warnings as a sure sign the crypto winter isn't over yet. Predictions. In the crypto space, no one can make any predictions, but there are some trends to keep an eye on. There will be an increase in the number of cryptocurrency holders in 2023, and cryptocurrencies have already been adopted by about 4% of the global population. Furthermore, Facebook and Instagram are currently testing many smart contract cryptocurrencies. Starbucks has even developed a Polygon loyalty program built on NFTs. And Elon Musk has confirmed that Twitter will also integrate crypto. Together, these companies have billions of users, and it would be significant if even a small percentage of their users adopted crypto. So, with such wide predictions, what should crypto investors to do? Well, diversification is one option, but that doesn't have quite the same benefits as it does in traditional investment markets. Generally, when Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. When Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. Diversification just changes the amount your portfolio can fluctuate. But when Bitcoin is the least volatile asset you hold, you know it's going to be a bumpy ride no matter what. A proper strategy would be keeping an eye on the news and the Fed's decisions in order to do your own research and invest accordingly. Don't let emotions overwhelm you, and don't buy the news on Twitter. What's your opinion about the future price of Bitcoin? Are you bullish or bearish? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching our video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel as more and more interesting videos are coming up.